In today's video I'm going to teach you how to set up an ME system in an Applied Energistics 2. So first of all you need to do is get a controller, and you want to put the controller down here. Next to that you want to put an ME drive, and then next to that you want some kind of power source. So I'm going to use an energy cell. Now there's other ways you could do this. You could connect it with an energy pipe and have something like a turbine or a wind generator powering it. But these are the three things that you need. Now what you want to do is you want to, on top of that, put a glass cable. So shift, and that's the glass cable here, ME glass cable. And on top of that you want to put a terminal, ME terminal. So now if you click on here you can see that it is all made up. Now we can't put any items in here yet, and that's because we haven't put any storage cells in there. So we're going to need to put some storage cells in there. So there's tons of different storage cells you can make. They each get harder and harder to make. I'll just grab this one. This is a massive one, and I'll put it in here. And then I can put items in here like this. And you can see that I can go in here and search what I want for in the top and get it out. Now if you look in here, it's going to tell you how many bytes have been used. And it's going to tell you how many different types. So you can have 300 types in this one. You can have whatever that number is, bytes. And then once you've used up all the bytes in that one, you can upgrade and add more storage cells. Now something else you can do is you can take these, you can wire this up around here. So add more glass cable here. And then we can add another ME terminal here. And then we can access what's in here through here. So if you want to wire up this around your base so you can have access to everything everywhere, then you can do that. There's also a ton more things you can do, but this is the most basic setup to get you started. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.